I hate you, Creed. I have it on my computer and my phone.
I have another one.
Hey, look! Some guy's recording us!
Stop jumping!
Wait, I think I got it!
Everybody call the papa!
Yo, guys, I'm on a dangerous mission right now. No, I know the trick. Pull it! Yes, Leonard! Yes, Leonard! We're good! Leonard, push! More. Wait, I have an idea! Push! Push. Yo! Push. I know! I'm so stop jumping! Alright, then I will little jump. I signed a contract! Stop jumping! I'm gonna fall. To my death. Yo. I almost got it. Okay, pull, pull! Pull!
How is humanity allowed to succeed when it's not allowed to?
Pull! If we're gonna fix the trampoline, you gotta work together. Pull! Pull! It'll be fixed. Pull one more time and it'll be fixed. Pull! Pull down, pull down. Oh no, don't pull that.
No.
Pull! Now! Now! Pull the knife, not the handle! I told you! Pull the net! Yo, this is one of the. I'll kill someone. I swear. This is one of the boringest birthday parties I ever been to. Okay, pull.
I'm pulling.
Pull! I almost got them connected.